You guys, how are you all doing? This is me and my family after Sunday service. We went to wash our car, but guys, you can't believe what happened. We were inside the machine washing our car when the machine stopped working. Like, I was like, what's going on? At the middle of it, we were stranded. I was asking my husband what's going on. He said he don't care. All he knows is that we have paid for the washing. We were there for some minutes before the machine starts working again. I was like, what? This is all my family that we are talking about here. The next thing we saw is
nobody should cry, alright? No more cry.
The machine started moving again. I'm gonna show you guys in this video. I was so worried about that. You need to see this big machine that we entered inside. I wish I can video out and in. I believe some of you that is watching this video might have used this machine. My goodness, I was so scared. Like, when the machine stopped working, I was asking myself, why now? There was a lot of queue. So those that we are following, we are actually the last, and the machine stopped working. I was like, what's going on here? But my husband never shaked, because as a man that he is, why shaking, you know? But I was the one lamenting, because I look at my children, I look at my husband, myself, my baby. I was like, why now? So guys, but as God may help us, we came out successfully. Some of you may not understand what I'm trying to say in this video. It was a very huge machine that has to take like 30 minutes before finishing. You know, it was not easy at all, but we made it. Here, if anything happens to you accidentally, they will pay you, but we don't need money. We need our lives. That's why I was shivering, shouting, calling God. What is going on? What is money? We are talking about lives. So, I need the lives of my family. Very, very important for me and myself. So guys, that is it too.
When we are done washing, wow, see how he cleaned up everything. Getting me. The machine has stopped, eh? What's happened? Hope we are safe. Again, name. Finally, it has started again. I wanted to shout, come on, the machine has stopped. We are in the middle of it. Oh no, oh no. Look at the way it's, wow, it's fanning everywhere, cleaning.